Hey guys, I'm back. It's Trace. I'm making pressure cooker pad thai, my version of it. So here we go. You ready? A little bit of oil. I don't have any chicken, so I'm doing pork. Ground pork. Nothing else, just ground pork. Because I want it to taste porky. So I'm just gonna fry this up. I'm gonna do this in real time. Pour yourself a glass of wine. This may take a few minutes. I'm doing it in the pressure cooker. I set it to saute. I waited till it said hot. I just don't think these things get hot enough to saute, but that's just me. So I like the one pot aspect of this. I don't really have to think. I might have a glass of wine while I'm thinking about it. So we want this to brown-ish. Well, pork doesn't really go brown. But while it's starting, I'm going to use a little bit of my oh so beloved garlic ginger paste that I buy. So I want that to kind of fry up in here a little bit. Come on now. Okay. I'm also going to grab some extra garlic because, you know, garlic. I'm also throwing in just a little bit of sliced onion, only because I had a half an onion. So that's why it's going in. We'll write this down. There we go. Just let it rip for a second. A little bit of light soy sauce. What's that? Teaspoon? Tablespoon? Something like that. I use this. Full disclosure, pad thai paste. It's made by Polar. I think this stuff's great. I get it at my local grocery store. So I'm gonna do sort of, what's that? I'd say 2 tablespoons, healthy. I add a little bit of my oh so beloved old man sauce. Just a little bit of chili oil. You don't have to do that. There's my tea towel. Okay. Now, everyone who tells me this is not pad thai, have at it. I love it. My son loves it. So you can do it with chicken. If I do chicken, I just chop it up and I don't fry it at all. Pork, I don't know why. I like to put a little bit of a shush on it. There we go. Okay. So it's not all the way cooked, but it's just started. All right, and it's got some of those yummy, yummy flavors in there. I'm gonna add some grated carrot now. I'm gonna add the white part of a green onion now. If I had cabbage, I'd put cabbage in it. But I don't. So I'm not. Oh, you know what? Yes, I do. Haha. Cabbage. Just a little bit. Thinly sliced. Please. Okay, so there we go. Look how fabulously easy is this, right? You're gonna love this. You're going to love this. Let me get some water. Okay. 1.5 cups. That's 12 ounces. For those in old money. Okay. All right. I have half a package of these noodles. They're rice noodles, so this is accidentally gluten-free. Well, I guess except for the soy sauce. No, I guess this, no, I think there's gluten in soy, isn't there? Don't know, don't care. All right, look, lay those on top like that. Yes, seriously. Where's my lid? Right, you just push them in like that. Turn the thing off. And then pressure, boom. Manual. 3 minutes. High pressure. 3 minutes. When this is, it'll probably take about 5 minutes to come up to pressure. It'll do its 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna quick release it. So I'll meet you back here. It beeped. So it is 2 minutes of cooking. Gonna do quick release. And yes, this is how you do quick release. You do not fling and run. I'm just saying. A little bit at a time. There we go. Wait for the little thing to go down. I have some drained bean sprouts, some peanuts, and the green of some green onions that's going to go back in here. So look how easy this was, right? You just throw in your oil, your protein, your veggies, lock and load, and the noodles, lock and load 2 minutes, open it up. It's the easiest dinner ever. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, so you just get in there. Yeah, they're totally cooked, those noodles. Okay. Okay, so you give it all a big stir. Tell me this does not look crazy delicious. All right. I'm going to throw in some bean sprouts. They're canned, don't judge. Some of the green onions, I like some for the top. Some peanuts. Okay. So you give it a good stir. It smells delicious. Okay. So make it look pretty in there. Give it a nice stir. I do a little bit of lime right now. Okay. And what happens now? See how nice and quick you were? I've closed it back on tightly. I don't bother dealing with the pressure valve, it's unpressure. And now it sits for 10 minutes. This is a big part of this recipe method. It lets everything sort of absorb, rest. The noodles cook all of the rest of the way through. It's delicious. So leave it for 10 minutes, and in 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back. We're gonna open this, and I'm gonna eat. Oh, I love this stuff. I'm back. It's been an incredibly long 10 minutes. I've had a glass of wine, and I made hot fudge peanut butter sauce for my ice cream for later. That's how I use my time wisely. Let's look. Awesome. Real nice. Look, see? The noodles sort of soak up. See, there's way less sort of sauce than there was in there before. Oh, yeah, man. Okay, this is going to be delicious. Take a little bit, you know, so I can sample. Fortunately, I've had some dental work done, so I can't sample on camera. But I will sample off camera. There we go. A little bit in my absolutely most favorite bowl on earth. Peanuts. Green onions. Lime. Oh, this is gonna be good. Ah. Okay, here we go. Wow, let me get my sticks. Let's see. You can do this totally vegetarian if you want. Look at that. Oh. Noodles are perfectly cooked. They're not mushy. Pork, beautifully cooked, really tender doing it this way. It's the lime, there's spice, it's all good. It's all absolutely good. So that's it. My take, pad thai in the pressure cooker, throw in everything, shush it around, throw a little bit of water in, put your noodles on top. 3 minutes, quick release, throw in the other things that just need to be heated up, and just let it rest for 10, and you've got dinner. I'm gonna go eat this. I hope you make it. I think you're gonna love this.